eligible candidate, my lord. I participate in the selection process, my lord. And the selection committee, my lord, being eligible candidate, call for interview, my lord. I participate in the interview process and fullest satisfaction, I give the interview, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, my name not featured in the merit list, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, another interview letter came to me, my lord. Kindly take, my lord, the second interview letter. I place the first interview letter, my lord, which is annexed with my petition, that is page number 54. Got it, my lord? 4th April 2023. This is first call letter, my lord, for interview.
And
now, my lord, kindly turn page number 56.
Date of interview is 8th of May 2023.
8th of May 2023. My
yes. Next.
Kindly turn, my lord, page number 56.
56.
And the heading is very interesting.
Yes.
In compliance of the Honorable Court Order dated 11th April 2023, High Court at Calcutta in 1725 of 2022 and other similar cases for interview and aptitude test could not be taken by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education for the following candidate. And my name featured in serial number 185. Although I appeared in the interview process, my lord, page number 54, they stated before the Supreme Court, my lord. Kindly turn page number 55. In the counter affidavit, in the matter, my lord, I just placed that order. What happened, my lord? Initially in the selection process, my lord, whosoever the pursuing candidate, DLED pursuing candidate of the year 20 to 2022, they, my lord, the board initially allowed them. Thereafter, my lord, in this Sravani case, my lord, the division bench, my lord, caused that notification because no, they are not eligible. Thereafter, they went up to the Supreme Court. And before the Supreme Court, my lord, the board deposited the affidavit. In that affidavit, my name is featured, my lord. Although I participate in the interview process, they said no, this candidate not yet participated. So, although I participate in the selection process, I participate in the interview process, they said there. So that's why they did not allow me in a zone of consideration, my lord. Kindly place them the whole details of me, whether I come into the zone of consideration or not, or they disallow me, and why they disallow me. Why they disallow me, I inquired in their office, my lord. Kindly turn page number 53. That's my online application. I physically went there. Why this happened? This is in your online application, you mentioned, kindly take the name of the examination, training qualification. Got the training qualification column? 2-year diploma in elementary education, DLED, West Bengal, appeared state from West Bengal, examining body, West Bengal Board of Primary Education, session, very important. I mentioned the session, 2019 to 2021. Pass, appeared, pursuing. There are 3 options. I mentioned appeared. So already I appeared in the selection process, that's why I mentioned the appeared. I not mentioned the pursuing candidate. Already. They treated me as a pursuing candidate. Although I mentioned the session and the year of passing 2022. Similarly situated candidate, they considered, they got appointment, but for my case, they not considered me and they not give appointment. That's my case altogether. I never mentioned I'm a pursuing candidate. There was 3 options: pass, appeared, pursuing. I was appeared candidate in the year 2019 to 2021. They treated me as a pursuing candidate. So they are wrong. So my respectful submission.
But then, assuming you are treated as a pursuing candidate,
they never say so. They never say so.
Why will your name be appearing in
the better place? They ought to give the answer. Why they put me that I never give the interview? And there is, may not kindly take the rule. I also annex the rules. Rule is very clear about it. Rule 8, procedure of selection, page number 47. The rule starts from page number
Yes,
43. I placed the rule. Procedure rule 8. Got it, my lord?
Yes.
Procedure of selection. The selection committee shall make prima facie scrutiny of duly filled application form submitted by the candidate having qualification as mentioned in Rule 6. So, selection committee, they ought to scrutinize my application form. So, I believe they scrutinize under Rule 8.1. They got me eligible. That's why they issued the interview call letter. Thereafter, Rule 8.2, the selection committee shall call all qualified candidates. So I am a qualified candidate. After scrutinize, being a qualified candidate, the board called me. But thereafter, they said before the Supreme Court, I never gave the interview. That's my case, my lord, altogether. They not even considered me in the selection process, my lord.
Monday, Your Lordship. No, I was reading item number 9, man.
Anyway, please come. The petitioner participated in the recruitment process for appointment of primary school teachers initiated in the year 2022. Being found eligible, he was issued a call letter for interview on 4th April 2023, and the date of interview was 8th May 2023. Stop. The petitioner participated in the interview. From a document annexed to the counter affidavit filed by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the Supreme Court of India in special leave petition within bracket C number 12660 of 2023 within bracket Showman Paul and others versus Shravani Nayak and others, the petitioner came to learn that his name was incorporated in a list submitted before the Supreme Court in respect of candidates whose interview could not be taken. Stop. Next. The petitioner submits that as per the procedure for selection, mentioned in the West Bengal Primary School Teachers Recruitment Rules, 2016. Rule 8.1. The selection committee, after prima facie scrutinizing the duly filled up application forms and after being satisfied that the candidate have this qualification, the selection committee shall call for interview, viva voce or interview, and aptitude test. Stop. It has been submitted that the selection committee must have been satisfied with the qualification of the petitioner and his eligibility, issued the interview letter. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has prayed for a direction upon the respondent authorities to consider his candidature as a trained candidate in the selection process
can give a point.
The petitioner has also referred to the application made before the board disclosing all his training qualification, wherein it has been mentioned that he appeared for the 2-year diploma in elementary education course from the West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the session 2019-2021. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the board seeks time to take instruction in the matter. List on 14th of August. What is this? You can take this back.
Malad, the order, the division bench order, the mention in.
Is it required?
If Malad kept it,
Very
because of that, Malad, by the dint of this order, Malad, 2022 session, Malad, that notification cancelled, Malad. That's why, Malad.
Very good.
Well, item number 9, I was otherwise ready, Malad. If you Malad,